What's up, guys? What's going on, everybody? I thought I would do an E.D.C video, what I carry every day. That's what I carry on me every day. I got a Leatherman Sidekick, brand new. Got a clip. I'm sure everybody knows what a Sidekick Leatherman is. Cheap Chinese made boulder, seatbelt cutter, window smasher. I've been carrying this for probably 5 years. Works. Cheap Winchester knife. Serrated edge. Cheap. Works. Fire steel. Gorilla tape. Always Bic lighter. Keys. My Pink Floyd wallet that I've had for 20 years. Still in good condition. Leather. Can't go wrong. Can't go wrong with Pink Floyd either. My new carry, the Mora. This is a Leatherman, and the Mora is my new everyday carry. And no, I don't carry the mask every day. Well, I do carry a bandana with me, but that's my everyday. Carry my E.D.C. My old carry, buck, and a Gerber multi-tool. I know everybody's like, oh, Gerber. And it's not that bad. Common man stuff, it's not bad. I've carried this buck, made in the USA, for, man, I don't know, a long time. Probably about 4 or 5 years. Beating the crap out of it. Batoned it. Throwing it. It's good steel. It says Buck USA 1430 something. I don't know, it's beaten off. Some paracord wrapped around the handle. Sorry if this video is too long. Gerber Martha tool. Had this for a while. It's okay. It's kind of flimsy. Blades are still sharp though. And you slide this down for the lock, but you have to go on both sides to do it. Opens pretty smooth. Scissors. I have to say those probably the best thing on it. There it is, my E.D.C. Besides the Gerber and the Buck. That's what I carry every day. Thanks for watching. If you're watching, appreciate it. Subscribe, like, share. That was probably a boring ass video, but check it out.